Okay, friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we have coronavirus pinata set. So it has these coronavirus pinata and another one here. This has like the little hole here to cut out to put candy in, and then a little cord here to hang it up. So this kit includes little coronavirus party hats. So this is like, man, you're tired of all the lockdowns and all the stuff that the coronavirus that happened. So this is a way to beat the coronavirus. There's some coronavirus party blowout. More hats. This is like the whole party thing, just kind of a celebration of this thing being over pretty much. So there's another one. What do we got here? Silicone coronavirus ice tray, ice cube molds. That's pretty cool. Just to have neatly shaped ice cubes is pretty cool. All right, so there's two. It looks like there's two of all the sets there. Yeah, it's got a little funnel on top, so you can put that, add the stuff right in there, the water, and then it's like a silicone mold, so you can just pour the water in there, and it makes the whole thing all together like a round ice cube, which is kind of neat. Okay, and least but not last, what we got? We got coronavirus blindfold there, and the coronavirus bats. So it's a whole like a double set here, guys. Pinatas and ice cube makers, hats, blowers, party blowout blowers. So these are from Misshapen Industries. And you're kind of looking at a nice little way, like a coronavirus party. This is pretty cool to beat the coronavirus. You can literally beat it with these sticks. Just whack, whack. So, yeah. This can be found on Amazon. That's it for the box. It was a lot of stuff in there. This can be found on Amazon. Runs, I think, around $50. So you get a lot of stuff here. I think it's a 10-pack for everything. 2 pinatas. You got the ice cube molds that you can make really cool ice cubes out of that. So, yeah, just kind of a fun idea. People are tired of the coronavirus and just want to be done with it. All this lockdowns and masks and vaccines and all this stuff. I think we're all pretty much fed up with it. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description below. I am an Amazon associate, so it helps out the channel if you purchase stuff from Amazon on my links. If you're going to buy stuff anyways, why not help out the channel, right? I do appreciate the support, everybody. You guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time.